How to change the delivery location on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change delivery location on Turo. To kindly follow along, the first step is to open the Turo application or website, log into your account, and then once you're logged in, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and then in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select the trips tab. Then after selecting trips, you'll be taken to the page where you can see the number of trips that you have, and then the next step would be for you to tap the trip whose location you would like to change. And then once you've done that, on the trips page, you will see options like cancel trip, change trip. So select change trip and then choose trip date and location. And then once you've done that, enter in the new delivery location and submit your request. That way, your host will receive notifications and has 8 hours to respond. If they accept, the change will be recorded and any balance due or refund will be processed. So this is how you can change your location on Turo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.